Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, guys, this ain't no joke. I know I always make some joke story time, but this time I really not make no joke, and everything me I telling you are straight facts. So whenever I do this, I have to post a video here at the same day that incident here happened. No, that don't make no sense. I'm saying. Whenever I do this, I have to post a video here. The incident happened on today. I think today is 17. I think today is 17. Yeah. So okay. So I left my yard. Me and one of my friends. Now go send a name. Left my yard and whatever. So where I go downtown. Go do look a Shawna or something. I didn't want something. I know exactly more. I didn't want a jeans jacket. Well, a jacket suit or whatever. So I go downtown and something, and you know, I see this person and I go to him and I say, yo, I say, I want jeans jacket. The jacket them we cut, you know the short jacket them we, hold on. I know the long sleeve jacket them, but I kind of like half a blouse jacket, I don't know, but I must know me that. So I that me did one, I go to him and I say, that type of jacket here, I have, you want it? And I say, yeah man, I have it man. Go to that person here and whatever, and then bring me to this specific person. So I go to the person and I tell him what I want and something, and this somebody I say, yeah man, come man, I know I have it and something they don't, I'm style this so and whatever. My man and say it don't I'm style. Make sure not follow the story and all this and everything. Him say it don't I'm style right there so. I say alright then I start walk. Where I walk, we can't reach the style. So I say to him, say, how long till we reach the stall and what it must say right there, so shop there. Move from stall to store, I should say, right there to the store there. So right there, so I just like alright then, whatever. Mind you, me done I said to myself, so if I go turn off in a lane or something, I not go because everybody already know the rules and regulations. No turn off with nobody. That's my rule. Me not turn, if I got on for buy something, I not turn off in a no lane with nobody or whatever, because I don't know you, I don't trust you. Whatever. So we walk, then I see him turn. So I say, hey, stop right there, so I'm not come no further. I not turn off going on with me not come no further. Is that right? Me go somewhere else. Come like the worst thing I go do and say to the man, say me I go somewhere else. The man start cuss me and start going, you don't want nothing. When a girl come at town, when a broke, when a this and that, and me like, okay then whatever. If I say, me not going on a lane with you, me not going on a lane with you. I say, you feel me, I'm gonna come take me away, me not make gonna take me away. I say, me not coming on a lane. Me don't bother want it, me I go somewhere else. The man start cuss up and fire up and tell me how much him will stab me up and him will kill me and him will this and that. So I back up and I say stab me up. At this point the man I walk me down now, so till him there, like literally beside me. See me and answer the man, yeah. And the man take out him ratchet, fly him ratchet and I move towards me. So I turn up, I not back up. So I turn up and I say, yo, you can't stab me. And the man I walk me up, hey girl, me we murder you, me we this, me we that and something. So the man I go on, you know, so I say, who you talk to? Because at this point, like even though him have the knife and something, you know, guys, I'm still never afraid or nothing, you know, because like that's some of us that say for dirt, I'm still never afraid. So the man starts telling me how much me forgot suck out my mother and all him something there. So I say, you forgot suck out back your mother, you're bright. Blouse and skirt coming like the worst thing I'm gonna do. The man get mad and go so and shove off my face. So the way I mean I shock, you know, I creep, I genuinely reflex and everything. I get mad and I just give him one choke and he stagger back. So he flick out him ratchet. I go tab you up this and that and I walk down to me and I turn up the same way. And then I start pre him now because at this point him have out him ratchet and everything. So I just watch every movement him make. And mind you, me in a one pants and one little white blouse, all of my waist and everything out of those. And I like, me have on nothing. If you say, if him stab me, at least we take off the force. Because me have on a shirt to come way down or a pants to come way over, we protect me from the stab. Me not have on none of that. So all of me body basically out of the man I walk me down or something. So I stop now. When I stop, realize so the man miss me. I can't see the man. So somebody see me now. This other man where I sell and something see me and I say, you know him, how am I going to for your boyfriend or this or that? And I say, no, I don't know him. Just argue with me and say I'm going to stab me up because I don't want to go in a corner with him and I don't want to buy no jacket from him because I don't go in the corner. So Same time when I tell the man that what happened now, me still I want to go about my business and look for my jacket. So another man see now, like him did the one side and him a ear and him a say, what happened? And me I tell him, sitting. And the man see him now and start say, yo, cause him come back and when me look, by the time I tell the man, when me look, the man go and come back with a big board, so. One big board and a thick board, so. Man decide say him a go either stab me up or him a go broke me up with a board or something. So I'm telling me never afraid none at all because at that point me just like I'm never have nothing for the family side but me name a back down. When me look the man go and come back for one board, so now everybody know come and run him and ease him off and take with the board for him or something and the man walk me down stay me and me I go back up to him and me I say, yo brother, I'm not afraid of you. I'm really not afraid of you. And I say to all the man determined say him a go stab me up. Brother, me I tell you to all the man determined say him a go stab me up and lick me out of the board. No matter all the people them a take with something them from him, the man a walk me down. All when me a walk go away, the man a walk me down, guys. Like me say me never at the first me ever feel so like me just did confused at everything and me just did that me a look and me I say like seriously somebody go and stab me up and kill me just because me say me not going in a corner with you or this and me and that. And guys, me I say this to say me I tell you a little story to say you need to be aware of the surrounding, you need to oh my god. You need to be aware of the surrounding, guys. If you're not going nowhere, no go nowhere alone. Even though me never did there alone, the man never care about him. And the man even go as far as talk about oh me lucky say me a woman arrest him would have murdered me right there, so him would have stabbed me up, him would have me a bag of things. I say if it was a man a right, I say him kill him and one bag of something. I'm tell you, the man that this close to me and the man felt him ratchet. Anything the man just one look in stuff and he could have stabbed me up in my side or something. But guys wanna need to be aware on the surrounding and things like that. No make nobody can tell you say them want carry on in a corner go do nothing or whatever cause you know. Alright, watch out. Suppose me never say oh me not going on a corner with him. Look pan this. Suppose me never say oh me not going on a corner with him, right? I'm going at the corner now and then him go show me the jacket. If him do have a jacket, him go show me the jacket and then me say yo, me don't want the jacket. Now right they say when I stab me up kill me and nobody would know. You get what me I say? Right the same when I start to kill me and nobody no know. So it's like I'm instinct at them say yo don't go in a corner. Go just not go in a corner. So you just need to be aware on the surrounded watching the back. On the surrounded watching the back. Don't make nobody take you and turn it on a fool. Or don't be intimidated because probably if me did afraid as him pop out the ratchet and a back off or whatever, maybe would I say oh I want weak fences or whatever, then he would have want to try like stab me up or something. So after I do a walk with the man, I'm running when I say, yo, lower I'm a family and this and that and no bother with the slackness and whatever. Me I walk with, you know, so the man walk come in front of me, turn up with him answer, black me, say, oh, me not pass. Man say, me not pass, so I have to find somewhere else walk. So I say, right, so I pass, move out of my way. I ask so I pass. The man decide, say, nah, make me pass. So I fear one day if I don't did a walk with me or something. The man determined say him want to stab me up or him want to lick me out of the board. And then I say to I get paranoid the whole time to back say every minute me I look round so I saw me just look if the man still a follow back at me, if him still a follow back at me. And I just do what me I do real quick. I just walk and just come out of town and jump on a bus and come on me yard. And then I come on me yard, I just sit down and look out of space and I think like look how the man could have just kill me right. So just because I say I not buy nothing or not even not buy, I never even tell you I not buy that. Just because I say yo, I not going in a corner with you. You can't want to kill somebody just because them no want to go in a corner with you. I'm in a shock right now, guys. I'm in a terrible shock. Like, when you could hear say Shawna get stabbed up in the hospital or Shawna dead or anything like that could have happened. Anything. Come on, God did literally dead by my side. Like, literally dead by my side. Because to how close the man that to me if he stab me up, me I tell him, I don't know. Oh my God. But that's this to say, guys, be aware of the surrounding and If I not go nowhere, don't go nowhere alone. If I know one or if I know 2 or 3 or not go, don't go nowhere alone. So nothing like a prolong with that video. I just make that little video here to tell you know what happened. And guys, before you left on yard, pray before you left on yard. Yeah? Make God protect you, and every little thing, move any little obstacle out on the way, any little bad vibes, any little thing. Because on the day I walk about in the business and I don't even know say people out there really seriously want hurt to know. Because I don't understand. I know I can't fathom. I just say, oh, I'm not coming in a corner with you and you want to stab me up. You can just imagine if I did go and say I don't want to do something, when would I do me? I just barely say, oh, I'm not coming in the corner and the man pop out in a long time. And I go tell myself if I did that man, him kill me right there. So thank God me and a man, because I don't know who did not say a video right now. But